Unraveling the Mystery of Runny Nose. Hello, dear friends and English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might hear quite often, especially when someone is talking about common cold symptoms. We're talking about the term, runny nose. If you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in conversation, then you're in the right place. Let's get into it and clear up any confusion. A runny nose refers to a condition where there is an excess flow of mucus from the nasal passages. It's a common symptom of colds or allergies. Mucus is a thick, slippery substance that your nose produces to trap dirt, bacteria, or other foreign substances that enter the airways. When you have a cold or an allergy, your body produces more mucus, which can lead to that uncomfortable, sniffling state we call a runny nose. You can use the phrase, runny nose, in various situations. Here are some examples. When describing symptoms, I can't stop sneezing and I've had a runny nose all day. When asking for medicine, do you have anything for a runny nose? When expressing concern for someone's health, you look ill. Do you have a runny nose as well? Remember, it's a phrase that specifically refers to the physical symptom and not the cause of the symptom. It's used in everyday conversation, especially in contexts related to health and well-being. Sometimes people confuse a runny nose with a stuffy nose, which is when the nasal passages are blocked, making it difficult to breathe. It's important to distinguish between these because they are treated differently. A stuffy nose often requires decongestants, while a runny nose may benefit from tissues and sometimes antihistamines if allergies are the cause. Another confusion might arise with the term nosebleed, which means bleeding from the nose, not related to the common runny nose symptom. In some cultures, having a runny nose is often associated with being sick or unwell. However, in English-speaking countries, it's also commonly referred to in a light-hearted way, especially when talking about cold weather causing one's nose to run, or in children's conversations when they play outside during chilly days. I hope this video has clarified what a runny nose is and how you can talk about this symptom in English. Remember, it's a common phrase and nothing to be embarrassed about. We all get a runny nose from time to time. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who's learning English and might find it useful. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.